The blackbird sits on the windowsill, singing songs of love for the sky, longing to be in its embrace. But whenever she opens her broken wing, she lands with a loud thud on the blue garden tile. Each time she falls, they put her in a cage and warn her of the dangers of taking a flight. Don't you know, the sun can burn you up, or a big bird can eat you alive? Someday, when you're ready, maybe you can take a leisurely walk on the green grass outside. But the blackbird doesn't want to walk. She knows she was born to fly. She yearns to make a home in the clouds and to sleep with the stars, listening to the moon's forgotten lullabies. She isn't afraid of the sun. She wants to bathe in its beautiful golden light. So every day, she sits on the windowsill, looking up with forlorn eyes, dreaming of her freedom in the embrace of her lover, the beautiful blue sky. One day, as I sit bemoaning her fate, I see the gentle breeze carrying her in its palms, and slowly the blackbird begins to fly. That's when they shout at her, "Come back, you silly bird. Don't you know your broken wing can give in any time?" But the blackbird doesn't care. She just tweets with a smile. It doesn't really matter. After all, I'm a bird, and birds are supposed to fly. And so I think to myself, how lovely it must be to be so sure of who you are and to leap into the unknown with such great delight, to be so unafraid of falling and to trust that the wind will always catch your wings, and no matter what, one day you shall rise. So now I try to be more fearless in following my own dreams, and when I stumble, I always look up into the sky, searching in the clouds for that little blackbird who had jumped off with a broken wing, daring to fly. But then again, what else could she have done? After all, the blackbird had fallen in love with the beautiful blue sky.